Hey y'all, I'm gonna do something a little different today on my channel. I want to show y'all how I make my press-on nails last 3 weeks. Okay, and this pack of nails was only, I paid $10.99 for these. Usually I pay between $3 and $10 for my press-on nails, depending on if they have gems or how long they are, which brand it is. Cause I usually buy kids nails, but today I'm using something different that I haven't never used. I got these from City Trends, and basically they give you 28 premium 3D nails, 100% handcrafted, extra long, designer inspired, and basically you get your glue, you get your cuticle pusher, and you get a nail file. So the first thing I did was make sure my fingers are clean. I sized and picked out all my nails. And so now I'm going to use my handy dandy electric, well, not electric, but battery operated nail file or nail buffer to buff my nails. And I do have different heads for this. I just like this one the best. And I got this from Family Dollar for $6. I'm gonna one day give me a electric one that I can plug in, because I feel like that'll be better for me. But I'm gonna use this for right now. And so I have this file, the one that came in the pack, and this little pusher that I use for my own little self-care thing, because I did not like the one that came in the pack, but they do give you one. I just don't like that it's wooden, and I don't want to get nothing stuck in my fingers. I clipped my fingernails for whatever needed to be clipped, I clipped them. And basically, let's get this show on the road, baby. We about to get cute for $10 for a 3-week set. And when I show y'all these nails, well, y'all done already seen them by now because the picture, but they're so pretty. So I just use this to go ahead and smooth out not smooth out, but unsmooth out my nails. We don't want our nail beds to be smooth. We want it as rough as we can get it. Whatever old glue that was left on there is gonna come off. And like I said, it come with different heads, so you don't have to use the one I'm using. But I like this one the best. It's big, and I'm trying to get this done pretty fast. I want to try to be under 20 minutes, so it said that lasts you for 3 weeks and only costs $10 and take less than 20 minutes. Sign me up. I just wanted to show y'all that you don't always have to use acrylic. Of course, it's ideal, especially when you are more so rough on your nails. You don't want one to break. But making sure your nail beds are not smooth will help your nails stay on a lot longer. So I do my beds and I do the inside of my press-on nails just to make sure I don't experience no breakage, because I don't like when my nails break. It don't hurt, but you can always just glue it back on, or file it down and glue it back on, but I don't want to do that. I know for sure that I can make these last 3 weeks because I did it before. I always put on press-ons. I never go to the nail salon. I don't know why. Well, I recorded a video before doing this, but I didn't like my setup. I wasn't at the table, and it's like, I don't want the focus to be on my body. or whatever. I want y'all to just see me doing my nails. You know, forgive me for my little setup, but it's gonna get better with time if I just keep being consistent.
Okay, so we're on our last nail. I don't know why this time is light. Like, get into these. You can't even tell I got purple on my face. It's so cute. So the only thing I got left now is these thumbs, honey. Always do your thumbs last.
What's the reason thumbs last?
So you can grab your nails without, doing too much. Ooh, these nails is long, baby. Like, do you see how long these are? These babies long, okay? I'm gonna calm down a little bit. We on our last one. I hope y'all can see me. I'm so sorry. Oh, my chest hurts. Okay, so now that we got all 10 on, and get into it. And I can't even really click on right now. Can't even really hear, um, but yeah. So you're gonna take some of this Palmer's cocoa butter oil, and we're gonna put her right on my fingers because I need it a nice amount too. Cause ooh, I'm so ashy. But you know, during the winter you get more ashy anyway. You gotta keep moisturized because you will be looking like you've been playing flour. Like you want her to look shiny and pretty. I'ma come back.
Okay, so that was my nail video. If y'all like that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you like these nails. Let me know if you like them, and I'll see y'all in my next video.